They're back, and this time, they're bringing something that's going to turn heads in the smartphone world. Get ready for the Nokia NX Pro 5G. Don't think this is just another phone. This is a game changer. A 200 megapixel camera, the all-powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, and guess what? It's coming at an unbelievably affordable price. Yep, you heard that right. So, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into all the juicy details of this beast. Let's go. First up, the display. Nokia really came to play with this one. The Nokia NX Pro 5G boasts a huge 6.85-inch Full HD plus LTP OLED display with a crisp 1.5K resolution. Whether you're binging the latest shows or gaming for hours, the visuals on this screen are going to blow you away. Also got a 32 megapixel, 24 megapixel, and 5 megapixel sensor to cover all your photography needs, from ultra-wide shots to stunning portraits. And for all the selfie lovers out there, Nokia's got you covered with a 50 megapixel front camera. Say goodbye to blurry, low-quality selfies. Alright, let's talk about performance. A phone is only as good as its engine, right? And the Nokia NX Pro 5G is running on the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, one of the most powerful chips out there. And it's not just about raw power. This beast is running Android 16 out of the box, so you'll get all the latest features and, of course, those sweet security updates. Now, we can't talk about performance without mentioning battery life. And let me tell you, Nokia knows what's up. The 7500 mAh battery inside the NX Pro 5G means you're going to breeze through your day without worrying about running out of juice. From the morning commute to late-night gaming sessions, this phone's got your back. Alright, now for the $5 million question. How much is this beast going to cost? Well, get ready to be shocked. The Nokia NX Pro 5G is expected to be priced at around $430. That's right. For all these insane features, you're looking at a phone that's way more affordable than you expect. So, what do you think? Is the Nokia NX Pro 5G the game changer we've all been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below.